at georgiapower.com/reliability.
Okay, let's take a ride. Mini. Mighty Mouse, here I come to save the day. Yeah, funny story, I got caught in a very hard hurricane rainstorm last night in this thing, and oh man, let me tell you what, a mini truck during like a massive thunderstorm is not a good place to be. I had a four-wheel drive and I hit a puddle that was like 8 inches deep. I mean, and it tore through that puddle, but it also sent up a crash of water, the likes of which I have rarely seen on a vehicle. Small enough to go around the speed bump. Yeah, she was giving me a little trouble earlier, but apparently it was just a hiccup. It's running fine now. It had some water in the filter or the intake box. Lad one, lady one. You ever look at a personalized license plate and just go, what? Now, okay, driving in a Mini, this is what you got to be aware of. People like him who come around a corner and just blindly slam on the pedal without even looking, and hit 60 in a effing 35. We have a lot of non-enforcement issues right now around Duluth. These cops should be doing their jobs, but they're protesting, they say they want the monopoly on force, so they're not going to police until they're ready to, or something. Don't know, don't care. I like to give people a little courtesy tap to let them know I'm there, because a lot of times they don't even look. And that's in any car. I have had some people, though, stop me and chew my ear off about the Mini. They want to know all about it. There was a guy yesterday that was like, this, I want this. How do I get this? And it was funny, so I shipped him out, and I got him on Facebook Marketplace and had him look at the ones that are around here. And he was like, oh my God, I'm so getting one. Yeah, there's a point where, like, you see it on Moto Cheese's channel, when Jeff gets in his Mini, Jeff just goes, holy bleep. And he just looks around and says, see, you got plenty of room. He's a big dude. I mean, he's like 6'2", and he fits in his, and he drives his everywhere now. And that's what I've been doing. Poor FJ's been getting put up in the garage. But driving it is addictive as can be. I mean, just addictive. Yeah, and I find myself looking for excuses to go run out. Like, oh, you need a pencil? Okay, I'll go to the store. So, like, there's pencils, and I'll buy more pencils just to have an excuse to drive it. Allergens are real bad around here right now. That rain last night, man, we had a big hard rain. When this thing has these big tires on it, rides a lot nicer, but you can still probably see by the bobbing of my head and the bobbing of the truck that it's a very unique ride. Regular car reviews called it back crushing. That's not, I'm not going to say it's not. I've learned to live with it. I see this guy all the time in that Raptor with chicken lights on it. Into a pickup truck. And they probably drive like it too. I am no fan of Honda since the CRV incident. I do not like them. Unibodies suck. This thing has a unibody on it. It sucks. But I like it. Smelled burnt rubber. I wonder what that was about. That was probably that semi. Whoops, wrong hand. See, I do it. Wrong one. Yeah, funny story. I was able to get all kinds of parts for this thing, but it took like 2 months for the windshield wipers to get here. You got to kind of downshift a lot and use it like a back brake. Yeah, but it's starting to get mini truck fever around here. I've seen a couple of them already. I've seen a green Honda Active van that some guy's driving, and some dude came up to me in a parking lot and was like, "Hey, I called you about it," and I was like, "Called me about it? Well, what are you talking about?" And he's like, "Didn't you have it for sale?" And I was like, "No, I've never had this for sale." And so that means there's another one in the area. Somebody, and they mentioned a camouflage one too. I think it's a Suzuki Carry. You'll do most of your driving in third and fourth gear. Wow, yeah, see the wash. Wow, see the washout last night. It was crazy. I mean, it was coming. It came down. I bet you it rained 10 inches in 3 hours. It was crazy. Let's get some pictures. This is a golf course that C. Morgan Brand and his turds bought to make into an apartment complex. Let's have a look-see at her. Yeah, those look atrocious. Those look abso-effing-lutely atrocious. That's his money. He can do what he wants with it. They said they had to get they were looking to get a car because the thing is so long. Whatever. You wanna know what? My mama's the CEO. You can kiss my butt. You can kiss it. Woohoo! This is a precarious situation right here. You see this? Ooh, wheeling opportunity right there. They're gonna think I'm working here. They're gonna be like, "What the hell is that thing? A dump truck?" Yeah, these look abso-effing-lutely atrocious. Yeah, these look. I would never live in something like that. That's ridiculous. Oh wow, look, yeah, these are terrible. Absolutely terrible. I would not ever live in something like this. Of course, then again now, apartments are basically holes in the ground that you throw money into and never see again. So, ooh, look at that thing. Wow. Okay, gotta be careful now. This is a real tight situation we are in. Okay, woo! That was tight.
Let's finish this workday. That's Steve Winwood. 97 on the river at Atlanta's Classic Hits.
Yeah, they think they're like he must be one of the crew here. Gotta go 15. Whoa! Mighty. I do kind of like all the wetlands and stuff they have back here, though. A lot of this is federally protected stuff. it was a golf course. Like the golf course will take you up here. It was a golf course, but that's Sweetwater Creek is what that is. And if I pulled off right there, I'd probably sink into the ground. So let's check somewhere with gravel. It's kind of a neat situation here. Get out and have a look at Minnie. I like these barn doors they got on this thing. Yeah, that's one thing she said. She said they had to buy a get a tractor. And I was telling them they need one of these things. Man, forget a side-by-side. Forget that Polaris Razor garbage. I had a guy in Park Service over here at McDaniel Park. He said they blew one up within a year of buying it. And it was just like, it's so shot. They were like, nah, we're just going to go ahead and buy another one. Bought another one. Blew it up in 6 months. Exactly the same thing. But he said the second time he made sure that it was like all heavy-duty stuff and all that. And didn't matter. One little iota. Blew it up. This thing's been around since '92 doing real work. How you like my ghetto lettering there? Oh, and this happens right here. I think I'm gonna hot glue that puppy in place one of these days. Still gotta deal with that floor pad situation. And I was thinking of having the receipt redone. I mean, in the long run, it's probably gonna be worth it, but man, have you seen the price of having a seat done? My God. A friend of mine said he got a price for his pickup truck seat to be done. He said it was $2,400. I was like, what? He said, yeah, I know. That's the same thing. I was like, oh my God. And no, he didn't do it. I mean, and that's, I don't know. For these seats, it just seemed $300 seems a little bit high. $340 something. To get a seat cushion, really? Because I mean, I've seen cheaper than that. I mean, I understand that can be going rate, but that used to be the Cabana. That was the golf club Cabana, and they had a restaurant too, if I'm not mistaken. On a road like this, you really got to look when you're pulling out, because people can hit some good speed. Yeah, and see Sweetwater Creek's through there. Ooh, I'm sweating. It's a humid day. Oh God, it was so humid the other day. You could see it in the headlights. It was just this haze. And some of you are probably like, wow, why do you let it wind out like that? That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to let the RPM match the wheel speed that you want. Sometimes it winds out all the way to damn 6 for it's safe to shift to 4th. Sometimes it happens like in a couple seconds. It just depends on what kind of the hill situation is. So thanks for riding with me, everybody. Stay safe. Always remember, there's a wealth around you. Have a good one.